Okay, so let's talk about the do once and do end nodes. So let's go back to the level blueprint and open it here. So let's start with let's use the F key event for this example. So F keyboard, and we can write here do once, and now we have the do once node. So what the do once node will do is it will fire a certain code just once, and it will not fire again unless you reset the code or you use this reset. So for example, it will say, let's make something fun. Let's write reloading. So you're reloading a weapon, and you can only do this once. Because you can see here, if I click play and I click F, it says reloading. If I click F again, nothing happens. I can't click F again because this is the do once node. You can only do it once, and you have to reset before you can do it again. So let's make another key, and this is the G key. And here I've made an integer. I can actually make it again. Let's make it again just for practice. Make a new variable called bullets, and this should be an integer. Take it down here. And every time you shoot, it's going to -1 bullet. So let's start with 20 bullets. So make the default value 20 for this variable. And every time you press, it's going to minus bullets. And let's print that amount out to the screen. So let's do a format text just for fun. So we can write, you have, let's do you have, and then curly brackets to make it the dynamic text, bullets left. And here we can plug in the amount of bullets. So it's going to say you have, for example, 15 bullets left. And let's plug that in to the string here. Okay. And now we can try it out. Go ahead, click play and click G. So now you have 16 bullets left, 15, 14, 12, so on. Okay, so that's working. And let's say if we are equal less or equal 0 bullets, if this is true, then we can reload. So for example here, we can we have to make a custom event for it to reset. So let's make a custom event, write custom, and for this we can call can reload. Plug that into the reset. So now we have to reset, we have to call the event. Remember, we have to call events for them to work. So over here, when we have 0 bullets, if this is true, let's call the event and reset this do once node so we can do it again. So here we can write can reload to call the event. So now it's when you have 0 bullets, it's going to reset so we can actually reload again. So let's go ahead and click play. And you can see there's a bug. I can actually reload even though I have bullets to begin with. So we can actually start closed. Okay, this is what start closed mean. So if I click F now, it's not going to work. I'm going to shoot, pressing G. If I have 0 bullets left, I can click F. Now I can reload. And if I click F again, it's not going to work because this is the do once node. I have to shoot again, but now you can see I have a bug because I haven't really told it to restart. But you can do it here. You can actually take the amount of bullets and you can set it back to 20. And let's try again. We can play. You can shoot the bullets. You can press F. You can reload. You can start to shoot again. But now you can still go on minus. I haven't really checked for that, but you can reload, you can start again on the other bullets. Okay, so this was it for now. I just wanted to explain the do once node. This is what it does. It plays a certain code just once until you actually reset it, if you reset it. So the next thing is the do end node. So this is almost the same. You can maybe guess it. You can do a certain code n times. So this is the do end node. I'm not going to explain too much, but what you do is the same principle. You can do a certain action multiple times. So for example, 3 times. So you can print or yeah, you can say here is money 3 times, and when you do this you have to reset. So let's use the G key to reset before I can give you money again. So click on play, and I click F. Here's money, here's money, here's money, and I can't press it again because I have set the N. Here I have set the N to 3 times, so I have to press G to reset it, and then I can press F 3 times again. So almost the same as do the once node, but this is the do end node. You can set how many times you want to do a specific code. So for example, you give someone money and you have to do a certain job to reset before they can give you money again.